This is an application where we need to lift these tank wells from a stack. They're going to come in on a stack on a pallet up to 8 feet tall. They're going to pick one at a time. They need to lower them, rotate them to horizontal, and once rotated, there is a de-burring process. So we're going to allow the operator to rotate these as they de-burr them. And then when they're horizontal, they need to be inserted into a welding machine. Once they're welded, they get ejected out the back side, then the operator will go and get a new part from the top of the stack. The raise and lower is with variable speed control. It also has release interlock, safety interlock, and I'll show you that once we pick up a part. So this will be the portion where they need to do the de-burring process. I release a pneumatic brake. They then can rotate this as they do the de-burring process. That resets the brake. They then maneuver the manipulator and insert the part into the machine. This also has safety release interlock, so I'm pressing the release button right now. It won't release.